I'm in a coffee shop in our in the outside of our school because it's our break time and we don't have activities to do. That's why we're here lang we're just here in coffee shop in the outside of our schools because we don't have a place that can what? Hindi ko na alam. Hanggang ano oras class mo? Until 8 p.m. May night shift ka? Wala. I see, yeah. You see. Where's Carl? Umalis na si Carl. Coco. Breezy. Hello, guys. Okay, that's your... Yeah. It's our... Actually, we have a 5 uniform and this uniform is our flight attendant uniform. So take a look and rate this uniform 1 to 10.
Okay lang po sir, take out. Bali 170.
It's an 8. Where's the 2? Guys, I want to reach 1 star before I end my life. 8 for the info, 10 for the person who wear it. Oh, really? Luna, thank you, Prissy. Nice trick, Prissy. You make me smile. Thank you. Maganda for me. Mga 8.5 uniform. Guys, I want to reach 1 star before I end my life. Please help me. Hoy, Carl! Welcome back, Carl. Gusto ko mag-reach yung 1 star muna yung live ko bago ako mag-end live, guys. Kahit 1 star lang. It costs 50 pesos. 50. Sana mag 1 star tayo. Kasi malapit na ako mag-end live, guys. Actually, yeah. JC, hello. Mohammed P, hello. My eyes is burning. Burning? Ala, JC, thank you po. Ala, ano na lang, guys. 48 na lang. Para ako. Yeah, I have class. I have class pa, actually. Kulang na lang ako ng guys, 48 para mag 1 star. Hello, saan manalo? JC, thank you. Hello, konti na lang. JC, thank you, JC. Thank you po. Patatas, late ka na naman, patatas. Kapag ako nag 1 star, mag-end live na ako. Guys, 23 na lang. Hoy, 1 star na ako. Yay! Thank you, JC. Thank you so much po. Yay, 1 star na tayo, guys. Pwede na mag-end live maya-maya. Congrats. Thank you, Prissy. Thank you, patatas. Tawan ko sa'yo, patatas. Kain ka lang. Thanks for following, Prissy. Thank you so much. Sana makakota ako. Kulang ko na lang is, hindi pa pala. Hindi pa abot na lang. Paano kita hindi man Hoy, nagla-live ako, no? Lagi natin ako nagla-live. Every day na ako nagla-live. 3 hours. Sana late night ka eh. Yeah, but syempre, minsan nagla-live ako ng hapon if I have a free time. Busy, may work ka ba today? Your eyes look tired. Yeah. Actually, I'm very tired because since morning 6 a.m. we have a marketing and I am the model of